This dam is an amazing construction. We finished the tour and we're at the top of the dam, and I'm going to start walking across the dam from the Nevada side to the Arizona side. You should note that by crossing the dam to the other state, we actually changed time zones. The Arizona side is 1 hour later than the Nevada side. So if it's now about 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in Nevada, you walk about 200 or 300 yards, and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon in Arizona. So here we are walking along the top of Hoover Dam. Here we are walking along the top of the dam. I've taken a shot here of the clock for the Nevada time, and when we're on the Arizona side, I'll show you what their clock says. This is the dam, and this is Lake Mead. Now, Lake Mead, it was created by this dam. And if you see that white area around the cliffs, that used to be the water level of the dam, and the water level has fallen substantially, creating a big problem for Nevada, because the intake pipes to take in water, which would take care of Las Vegas and except the other towns, were too high up now because the water level had gone down. So they have been emergency construction of putting in new water pipes or intake pipes at lower levels, so they can get the water necessary to take care of Las Vegas and the other towns. Suffice it to say, it's a big problem. Here's a shot of the dam from the Arizona side, and here's a shot of the Arizona time. As you notice that it's 1 hour difference. It's 3 o'clock or 3:05 over the Nevada side, and it's 4:05 over here on the Arizona side. We're walking now back to the Nevada side. Here's some great GoPro wide-angle shots of the dam from the top, and panning up to the Colorado River flowing south. Well, we've completed our round trip walk over and back of the Hoover Dam, and now I'm going over to the cafeteria and the tourist shop to see what they got. We're at the cafeteria. Here's a family from China eating. Here's the cafeteria. We've completed our tour of the Hoover Dam, and now we're going to be driving back to California and home. It's been a wonderful adventure out here in Las Vegas at Christmas, and also here at the great and wonderful Hoover Dam.
At the base, you see two long buildings.